So, everyone online talks about AI automation. Like it's clean. Dashboard, agents, workflows, all working together, looking perfectly fine. I tried this too, automating an agency end to end. Modern systems, not in theory, not in a Notion doc, but in reality. And with that experience, I'm telling you this right now, that it breaks quietly, badly, in ways nobody ever thought. This video is not about what worked, it's about what failed. When people say agency automation or AI automation, they usually mean a workflow or two. I also tried, but what I tried was automating the entire chain. Lead extraction, lead qualification, call booking, AI reply management, follow-ups, and top of that, the ops visibility using AI. And here's the truth that most people forget, but I had to face. Automation is not a workflow, it's a living system, and a living system fail where you never expected them to. Now, the first thing that actually breaks is leads. Scrape leads from the internet look good on paper, but in reality, they are incomplete, inconsistent, and missing the context. Names are wrong, industries are vague, decision-making persons are just guessed. So when people say, let's just AI do the lead scoring, I know they've never done this at scale. Because AI doesn't fix the bad inputs, it accelerates the bad decisions. If your data is weak, automation doesn't save time, it multiplies mistakes. And that's where systems already start lying to themselves. So now the next thing that breaks is CRM. Most CRMs think that people behave logically. They don't. Leads disappear, then reappear on a different channel with a different tone. And suddenly, your clean pipeline means nothing. One wrong state change triggers the wrong workflow. Wrong follow-up, wrong message, wrong timing. And nobody notices the damage until it's done. Here's the real problem. CRMs are built to record activity. Agencies need systems that decides what to do next. Most people can't figure out the gap. Now this is where automation gets dangerous. AI replies sound smart and cool, but they don't know when to shut up. They miss context, they ignore the history, they respond when silence would have been better. One confident wrong reply can undo weeks of trust. So let me be clear, this isn't a prompt problem, it's a control problem. AI without state awareness isn't intelligence, it's reckless. Then there's call booking. A booked call feels like progress. It's not. Booked doesn't mean qualified. It doesn't mean that the sale is prepared. Time zone breaks the flow. No show piles up. And suddenly, your automation win is just wasted hours. Automation didn't remove the sales bug, it exposed the weak sales system. Now the biggest cause of failure is dashboards. Everything looks fine, numbers move, charts are green, but nothing tells what's about to actually break. Metrics without enforcement never prevent problems, they just delay the awareness. Visibility alone doesn't create the control, it creates comfort, and comfort kills the system. This is where I changed the direction. I stopped trying to automate actions. No more workflows, no more prompts, but state guards, decision boundaries, systems that block bad moves before they actually happen. BlindWest wasn't built to automate harder, it was built to stop the chaos earlier, and that's the difference nobody talks about. This video is not for beginners, and it's not for the people chasing the AI trend. It's for people that are running real operations. If your agency hasn't broken yet, it will. And the real question is, will your system see it coming or explain it after the damage is done?